Ever wonder how to boost your YouTube channel in just 30 days? Well, today we're going to spill the secrets. Buckle up because this is going to be a thrilling ride. Step 1, select your niche. This should be something you're passionate about and holds value for your audience. Step 2, conduct audience research. Understand their interests, preferences, and expectations. Analyzing these elements will help you cater to their needs more effectively. Step 3, develop your content strategy. Keep an eye on trending topics and design your content accordingly. Creating a regular content calendar will keep you organized and consistent. Step 4, focus on video production. Choose good quality equipment to ensure clear audio and sharp video quality. Step 5, optimize your SEO. Keep your video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized. Make use of relevant keywords to make your content more discoverable. Step 6, maintain consistent uploads. Establish a regular schedule and stick to it. Publishing videos regularly will keep your viewers engaged. Step 7, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and interact with your viewers. Organize live sessions and Q&A sessions to build a stronger relationship with your community. Step 8, promote on social media. Actively share your videos on different social media platforms. Make good use of hashtags to increase your reach. Step 9, collaborate with other creators. Engage in cross-promotion to reach a new audience. Step 10, focus on thumbnails and titles. Make your thumbnails attractive to encourage people to click on your video. Keep your titles catchy to grab attention. Step 11, review your analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor viewership patterns, watch time, and engagement metrics. Step 12, ride the trends. Make good use of trending topics in your content. Stay updated with new trends to keep your content fresh and relevant. Step 13, maintain a positive aura. Strive to stay positive. Take every piece of feedback constructively and use it to improve. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to boosting your YouTube channel in just 30 days. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.